Hey guys, Sandy here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to be using that background that I made the other night. It turned out pretty fabulous. You guys, if pink is your jam, you're gonna love it. If pink is not your jam, you might not love the color, but hopefully you'll think it's pretty cool. So I've got that, I've got some photos, I got some product out, so let's see what I can do. All right, guys, so I am starting out with these two photos. This is a photo of me outside of Disneyland with the Pixar Fest banner in the background, and then there is a kind of like a welcoming display of Pixar Fest photo as well. Now, I have decided that I am going to play off the faith, trust, and pixie dust saying that is so prevalent in Disney, and I am going to go with faith, trust, and Pixar dust. I think it is quite witty, but you know, I think I'm hilarious too, so here we are. Anyway, I have this 3x4 card. I've actually got a couple 3x4 cards that I picked out, and then I'm going to choose these pink backgrounds that came from 49 and Market. Now they do have a tad bit of green to them, but I'm not going to stress out about that because I am going to add some teal into the layout. And even though it is not the same exact shade, I think that they all work together pretty beautifully. I'm happy with it. So that is the important thing, right? So I'm just going to get these bad boys matted up. Now I did decide to trim down my photo a little bit and use it that way on the 6x8 paper as opposed to using more of the 6x8 paper the other way. And that was because I will get more use out of it that way. I find that these 6x8 papers are really perfect for layerings and things like that. And just wanted to make sure that I would have some if I needed to use some more on this layout without cutting into the rest of the 6x8 papers, which sounds ridiculous because I have a ridiculous amount of paper. Not as ridiculous as I used to, but still a ridiculous amount. I find it harder to cut into 6x8 papers than any other size paper. A 4x3 card or a 4x6 card, whatever. I can cut those suckers up. I can just use little bits of it. Doesn't bother me whatsoever. A 6x6 paper pad, perfect. I can zoop, zoop, zoop right on through those. 12x12 paper, what? You think I'm afraid to cut into that? Crazy. 8.5x11? Nope, perfect. I can cut all kinds of things into that. But for some reason, the 6x8 papers are the ones that I don't like to cut into. And I haven't figured out the reason why, other than I know that that's what it is. So I don't purchase a lot of 6x8 papers anymore because I know this about myself. But those 49 and Market ones are so pretty. So that went down. So here I am putting down my letters and words. I am going to use this sticker book from Simple Stories, and then I've used some other letter stickers and that word faith. And that's how I came up with the idea. I was flipping through what was in the Never Ending Kit, and I saw faith, and I was like, ooh, faith, trust, pixie dust. Very Disney-esque, and we're just going to change it up a little bit. So I go ahead and get that going. And yeah, so I have been to work today. I got there at 4. I left at 2:45. I'm going to head back in for a little bit this evening. Can't get away from the coffee, you guys. Oh, and Holiday Chapter 2 launched today, and the cups. Oh, the cups are so pretty. I have a cup problem. Really do have a cup problem. I got the pink Stanley yesterday. And I really don't feel like I should probably buy more cups right now, but if my inventory starts getting low on some of them, they're coming home with me. Anyway, yeah, if you want to see my Starbucks cup picture, let me know. I feel like I could probably do an album of Starbucks cups. I need to do an album of Starbucks cups. Oh. Oh, that would be fun. That could be really fun. Okay, I got to think about that. Make that idea marinate a little bit. So just decorating a little bit. Got some hearts down. I've got these 3x4 cards that I've just torn, and I'm going to tuck those up underneath of the photos. Now the photos are up on Fun Foam, and the Pixar Fest has this clear pocket card overlay over top of it. And since I trimmed down my photos, it didn't fit exactly. So I thought if I just put it at this little fun angle, like I did right here, it would turn out pretty cool. And it would focus you on that photo instead of like my big face right in the center of the page. It kind of puts your eye away from it right now, looking at it through the camera view because of the glare from the overhead lights. But I think in person, it kind of takes your eye to go, ooh, what is that sparkly stuff kind of thing, you know? So just going to put on a little bit more things, a couple word phrases and an ampersand here so it doesn't just say Faith Trust Pixar Dust, it says Faith Trust and Pixar Dust. I was flipping through to see if I needed to add anything else, and I felt like this little hello would be cute as well. I cut the banner off of it, so it was just a tiny word sticker, and that does it for this layout, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, I had a fun time with this one. Anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a great week, and the sale is coming. Thanks so much for watching, guys. And I'll see you guys again real soon for another video.